So if you're planning to be a YouTube content creator or just putting yourself out there on the internet in general, the one thing that you're guaranteed to have are haters. Especially if you start to have any type of meaningful success, the haters are going to come out everywhere, all around the world. But there is one big hater. It's probably going to be your number one hater that's with you practically all the time. And that hater is you. So having your biggest hater be yourself is something that could be really surprising. But the fact of the matter is, a lot of times whenever we are trying something new, it's usually going to be a lot of self-doubt, fear, and also insecurities. And that's something that our brain naturally does. It always tries to protect us from harm, from pain, from discomfort. And because of that, we become our own hater, always second guessing ourselves, always doubting ourselves. And that's the main reason why a lot of us really don't go out and do the things that we want to do, because of the fact that we are our own haters. And in some cases, that might be a good thing for some people, because obviously it is definitely not an easy thing to do. And it's also going to be really uncomfortable for a lot of people out there. But at the same time, if you're constantly listening to your inner hater, you're probably never going to do the things that you really want and also have the type of success and the life that you want. And having this inner hater is the main reason why most people don't try this or try something that they really want to do, because at the end of the day, you're always going to have this hater with you. And then it's your job to actually tell that hater to be quiet, not to listen to them, and keep going forward with the type of dreams and life that you want. So if you actually had any thoughts on this, be sure to leave in the comments area below. And if you did want to see my entire YouTube journey, I do have an entire playlist. I'll leave in the description area below or up here. Hey geeks, if you are a brand new creator and you simply want something easy to get you started, well, I got something for you with my Creator Starter Kit. This is a super simple step-by-step guide that's going to take you from having no channel to developing your very first YouTube channel, along with ideas, thumbnail designs, and other creator tips, including marketing. And the best part is, all of this is free. Simply head over to the link below, check out my page, and get started creating.